this video over the McCoun. I've said it before, I keep forgetting. I guess Hawk here. You know what? I don't even know which model this is. I got it in a waffle, and I can't find something that's exactly like this on his website. But its handle length overall is like 14.5 inches, maybe 14.75. It's 4140 steel. You can see it's got the wrapping. It's got a nice leather mask. Got this hammer pole on there, and its blade is, I said 4140 steel because I think that's what they were using at the time, still using. And its blade is cutting edge is 2.5 inches. I'm not quite sure again which model this is, but it's pretty sweet. And you know, I just didn't want to seem like I was completely poo-pooing on Dylan on the last few videos, so I wanted to just show you something else I got from him. Let's see. Yeah, it's spine, not sharp enough for a ferro rod, but it's also a Hawk, so typically I don't do that anyway. I have had a few makers put a sharp, crisp spine on there, but that's okay. Let's see if I can get it to cut paper. Typically, I know people don't cut paper with Hawks and axes and stuff, but let's try it anyway. It's not that it's not sharp enough, it's just, it's a weird angle. Well, there you go, a little bit. Yeah, kind of a cut. See, it kind of cuts. Hey, there you go. Got one. That was a tear. Come on. Keep tearing it. Kind of works. Alright, before we really get into it, let's see. Not hair shaving sharp. Also, I've had this probably 6 years or so. So I'm sure Dylan's changed models and improved a lot since then. Yeah, I mean, it cuts. It's not a clean slicer, but it cuts. Yeah, this one isn't the greatest at these curls. See, it's knocking those out. Boom. Alright, so that's my look and usage of this little Hawk. Again, it's said about 6 years I've had it, so I know Dylan's improved a lot since then, but still, I love the feel of this. It feels great. It feels like it definitely wants to chop or hammer, but it's not too heavy. In fact, I'll go put the weights on the screen of this right now. 17.8 ounces or 504 grams. So that's what I feel about this Hawk. I think it's really good. You know, of course, it's not the sharpest thing in the world, but hawks and hatchets and axes don't typically be, you know, they're not typically super sharp. They're meant to bash and abuse, and if they have a super fine hair popping sharp edge, you know, when they're getting bashed into things, it's more likely to, you know, roll, chip, or, you know, get damaged somehow. So you know, sometimes that can be negated, but typically they don't. So this Dylan McCoun Hawk, I give it a 7.5 out of 10. And if I had one of his new Hawks, it probably would get an 8 or an 8.5, I would imagine, just because of, you know, improvement over time. So anyway, thanks for checking out the channel. Check out Dylan and his father Mark. I'll again put links below to their stores. Again, this was not purchased by me, but it was not given to me either. I guess technically it was purchased since I did win it in a raffle. So anyway, remember, get outside, enjoy life, do science. Mabuhay. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family, every little bit.